So like most of the packaging is it says create and plus decorate with stickers, markers, and more. This is mostly the back, which you see it says squaggles. Okay, I'm gonna pull out the first one. Okay, what do we got in here? A cute little kitten! Oh, it looks so cute. Next one. What is it? Oh, it's cute. A unicorn heart and kitty cat eraser. I'm showing you guys what is inside. It's a cute little kitty cat, an orange one, and a rainbow heart, and a unicorn with a bow, a purple one. Next one should be the yellow one. So it's must be the last one. So I'm gonna pull it. Come on, out. Okay, pull it out. Oh, it's a keychain. It's a unicorn keychain with like a star on it. These are the third surprise. It's a chicken coin, a bag that came with it, and this pink little animal, I guess. So we saw this is a place with So, I'm going to be opening this part. Oh, it's opening! We're going to be testing out these stamps. The first one is going to be this alien with flowers. Maybe it won't. I've got to press one. So I'm gonna tell you that the squishy is so squishy. It's even smooth, slow moving, rising. And there's a sticker right behind, so you can stick it on your phone, your iPad, anything else. So there's mostly lots of surprises and cards and envelopes, but this stickers are a lot, so you could mostly do lots of DIY stuff, like making a Valentine card, Christmas card, happy birthday card, and you could put stickers in them if you want, and you could